Yes, now we are in part 2. So we in part 1 we wrote our data here. Now in part 2 we want to do the basic stuff. What we mainly want to do is the descriptive statistics. We want to find the mean. So let's find the mean for the payload. So not this payload are in millions. So for us to find the mean average of the payroll, we come here on stats. We click on the basic statistics, say display descriptive statistics, and now we want to use the payroll. So we click here, click the payroll here, and then click select, and then click statistics. We want the mean, if you want the standard error, the standard deviation, if you want the variance, let's say I want the variance, I want the minimum, I also want to know the sum, I also want to know the range, the first quartile, median, that quartile. I also want to know the interquartile range and the mode. Then you are sure that is what you wanted, you click OK, and then OK, and now your descriptive statistics appears here. So here we can see the payroll. The main payroll is 91 million. Standard error is around 6.9. Standard deviation is 38. The standard deviation is very high, which means that the variation in the payroll among all the teams is very high. Sum is around 2.7 million thousand. Yeah. Yeah, the mean pay is at 4 million, 4.9 million. And the highest paid team is 206 million. Yes. Yeah, that's basically how you do the descriptive statistics. So that is for one. Also, if you want to do for the other variables, let's say we want to do for the wins, you just come here, you repeat the same process, statistics, then display. We want wins, you say select, and then say statistics. Let's say we don't want all of this. Let's say we just don't want all of this. Let's say we want only to know the mean, the standard error, the maximum and the mean. Let's say and the range, and then say OK, and then OK. So this is the descriptive statistics for the wins. Yeah, division is not that high. So I mean the wins are not, the variation is not that high. So something else, after you create, if you create for every variable, you can just, you see here on this navigator part, if you want to go back and see the payroll descriptive statistics, you just click payroll statistics. If you want to go to this one, and yeah, so that is basically it for descriptive statistics in Minitab. Note that those are just the basics. So, and I believe that is all that you should know for the basic statistics, because that is basically what you want to know. You want to know the range, maximum, standard deviation, and so on. Yeah, so basically that's it for this one. Thank you.